The electric revolution is here, and leading the charge is the Ola S1 Pro. Designed for modern riders who want performance, style, and sustainability, this scooter has quickly become one of the most talked about EVs. Welcome to SG Riders, where today we explore everything you need to know about this powerful electric machine. Futuristic design and build quality. The Ola S1 Pro stands out with its sleek, minimalist design and smooth curves. It comes with a premium finish, vibrant color options, and a seamless body that gives it a futuristic look. The LED headlamp and tail lamp add to its modern appeal, making it perfect for urban riders who want to ride in style. The build quality feels solid and durable, designed to handle daily city rides while maintaining comfort and stability. Powerful performance and speed. When it comes to performance, the Ola S1 Pro does not disappoint. It is powered by a strong electric motor that delivers instant torque, giving you quick acceleration right from the start. With a top speed of around 120 km per hour, this scooter competes with many petrol-powered scooters. It also offers multiple riding modes like Eco, Normal, Sport, and Hyper mode, allowing riders to choose between efficiency and performance based on their needs. Battery range and charging. One of the biggest highlights of the Ola S1 Pro is its impressive range. On a full charge, it can deliver up to 180 kilometers, making it ideal for daily commuting and even longer city rides. Charging is convenient as well. You can charge it at home, and fast charging options are also available in select areas. This makes it practical for everyday use without worrying about frequent recharging. Smart features and technology. The Ola S1 Pro is packed with advanced smart features. It comes with a large touchscreen display that supports navigation, music control, and call alerts. Other smart features include keyless entry, mobile app connectivity, anti-theft alerts, reverse mode, cruise control. These features make riding not only easier but also more enjoyable and futuristic. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort is another strong point of the Ola S1 Pro. It offers a wide seat, spacious footboard, and smooth suspension setup. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the scooter ensures a comfortable experience even on rough city roads. The handling is stable, and the braking system provides confidence, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced riders. Price and value for money. The Ola S1 Pro is priced competitively considering the features and performance it offers. While the initial cost may seem higher than traditional scooters, the savings on fuel and maintenance make it a smart long-term investment. Final verdict. The Ola S1 Pro is not just a scooter, it's a glimpse into the future of mobility. With its powerful performance, long range, and smart features, it stands out as one of the best electric scooters available today. If you're planning to switch to electric, this could be the perfect choice for you. Outro, SG Riders. For more amazing bike and scooter reviews, stay connected with SG Riders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on the newest rides and EV technology.